And if we follow the Shankho, which we worship on the when we worship, we use that Shankho. I shall arrange a story on that Shankho. When Durvasa cast through Indra, at that time, that's Lakshmi entered into the Sagar. The Sagar daughter is Lakshmi. After some time, the Samudra Manthan starts. When Samudra Manthan starts, Lakshmi come out from the Samudra and Shankha. The Shankha come from the ocean. The name of the Shankha is Shala Shankha. Shala Shankha. What is the name of the Shankha? That Shankha's name was Shala Shankha. Shala Shankha was the sister of Lakshmi, because Lakshmi is the daughter of Sagar and Shala Shankha is the son of Sagar. From this, Lakshmi's brother is Shala Shankha and Shala Shankha is the sister of Lakshmi. And after that time, Lakshmi came from the Samudra Manthan and Shala Shankha came from that Samudra Manthan. At that time, Lakshmi said him as a brother, Shala Shankha. For that time, the Dev-Devis and others saw that word Shala Shankha. That is, Lakshmi's brother is Shala Shankha. Lakshmi's brother is Shala. From that time, the wife's sister brothers called as Shala. From that word, we know the wife's brother is Shala. From that incident, they indicate when a man marries to a female woman, at that time when he married, the female brother will be Shala. From that incident, from that Shala Shankha incident, this Shala word come from that incident. However, Lakshmi's brother is Shala. When a woman came in other house as a Lakshmi, and that wife's sister, a brother known as Shala. Shala is a most famous word. Wife's father, wife's brother. If we go to Kali-yuga, we see that Shala is the best neighbor. If we follow this Kalki Puran, we find that according to Kalki Puran, the Shala will be best neighbor of all. This is the best of your father, mother, extra. The Shala is the best neighbor of this Kali-yuga, And that's what is in this Lakshmi story. That Lakshmi is under the feet of Narayan or Vishnu. That means Ekeshwar, God, and his Shishya and his Bhakta will be under the feet of Ekeshwar, Vishnu or Kalki.